Hello guys, once again. Today I'm teaching about ingoma Ufanelwe ubukhosi Yena owanqoba wasifela thina. Okay, so iqala la ethi khona noma singahlupheka okomntwana. Guys, I'm too much. So basically combine perfect. Emba kanjalo lento. Ezinye ingoma ngisazozirevisitha ngibuyele kuzona kahle ngichaze fela. Ngizozwa ngani kuma comments ingoma mina ufuna ngiphinde kahle sislow low. Yeah, ukuthi manje ngicabangela nanamadatheni ukuthi yabo longer the video, so longer ama-data engizodownloada ngawo lama video. But ngcono masidownload video awazi ngisho ukuyiplaya in slow motion and learn, see into kanjalo. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, follow the page if you sing it in Facebook. Yeah, thanks guys.